Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the Alpha Tester badge in Kaiju Battlegrounds. Start by joining the official Discord, read the pinned alpha rules, and fill the application accurately. Play the designated tutorial match to satisfy the playtime requirement, then link your Discord and Roblox accounts. Double-check that your profile shows the submission confirmation, stay active in alpha channels, and respond promptly to any moderator messages for faster approval. In this video, I will show how to get the Alpha Tester badge in Kaiju Battlegrounds. When filling the form, be precise and honest about your testing history and availability. Highlight any prior bug reports or community moderation roles, and include a direct link to your Roblox profile plus your exact Discord tag. Proofread before submitting, and keep screenshots of submission confirmations to reference if moderators ask for verification. In this video, I will show how to get the Alpha Tester badge in Kaiju Battlegrounds. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for gaming rooms and voice controls, and it pairs nicely with alert sounds for in-game events. It's compact, sounds great, and blends into any setup. If this sounds useful, subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get the Alpha Tester badge in Kaiju Battlegrounds. Focus on completing required tutorial matches and racking up the listed playtime while following community rules. Stay respectful in voice and text channels and avoid exploiting or griefing during alpha sessions. Take concise notes on any bugs you encounter and file them in the proper Discord channels to demonstrate constructive participation and increase your chance of badge approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.